What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. We are going to get into another product research tutorial. Now, I've done another video on this where I use helium-10, and they have a cool little tool that's very easy to use that could give you some great ideas for products to sell on Amazon. So we're going to get into it, but before we do, if you could just smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm, drop a comment down below on what you want to see in my next video, and make sure to subscribe to my channel to see videos like this almost every week. All right, so we are going to get into my computer right now. We are inside helium-10. If you don't have helium-10, I do have a discount code down below. I don't think Jungle Scout or the other software companies have this tool, so you can't really cross-reference, but check it out. So this is the tool right here. It's what's trending on Pinterest. So back in the day, I used to go on Pinterest and Etsy, and I would look for different product ideas and see what is trending. But now they make it very simple. It's basically like a slot machine right here. And all you have to do is click on it once and it's going to give you a different idea. So I was actually doing that right before I started this video, and it landed on this kitchen wall decor ideas right here. So once you see a good idea, for example, kitchen wall decor, what we're going to do is open it up in Pinterest, and we're going to look at the trending chart. So we could see over the last couple months, actually over the last year, the demand for this type of product or keyword is very high. There's no big peaks like during Christmas time. So that is what I like to see when I'm doing product research. I want to see demand throughout the whole year. So that's pretty cool inside of Pinterest. Instead of going to Google Trends, you could actually go on Pinterest and go to look at their trends and see how well that keyword is trending inside of Pinterest. So now from here, we are actually going to go inside of Amazon and search kitchen wall decor. You can also do a shortcut right here on the Helium-10 Chrome extension X-Ray. Click right here where it says Analyze Product Demand on Amazon. So right here we can see kitchen wall decor ideas. Doesn't have many people searching for that, but what they probably are searching is going to be kitchen wall decor. So I'm going to jump into Amazon and actually type in that keyword. All right, so I typed in kitchen wall decor and it's bringing up all of these different products. Now, a cool thing that I realized is one of the first products that popped up doesn't have high reviews. So what I like to see is new sellers on page 1 at the top of page 1 for a good keyword that have low reviews. And this is an example of why I like selling home decor products. None of these look the exact same. So a customer will go to this page and they'll see the different ideas, and they might buy this one because they like what it says on each sign. They might buy this one because they only want a simple sign for the kitchen. They might like this one because it's a whole different type of sign. It has like a fork and a spoon and a knife. So that is what I mean by product differentiation. If you sell the same exact thing as someone else, that doesn't give the customer an option to buy yours over the other seller. But when you have a different style or design, different text, different font, different colors, now the customer might buy this one over this one, or this one over this one, even though it has less reviews. It's not the same exact product. So what we want to do is make sure that this is one of the main keywords with a lot of people searching for it. So what I'll do is I'll run Helium-10 and I will run X-Ray to check all of the numbers, the data, how many people are actually searching for this keyword on Amazon, because we want to see the actual data inside of Amazon. So right here we can see the search volume is very high. 64,000 people are searching kitchen wall decor, and that one seller that had 40 reviews is doing $12,000 a month, and that is because they are offering something different than all of the other sellers. Now, typically, this is going to be a very competitive market. We can see the average reviews are very high. So this person is probably spending a lot of money on ads to get those sales. But look at that. They're a new seller on page 1 getting sales. Here's another one with low reviews, under 50 reviews, doing $3,300 a month in sales, and they offer a different type of wall decor sign. But let's go over here. I see a big spike, and maybe it was a trend. But on Pinterest, it was not a trend. But just like on Pinterest, the demand for this keyword or search volume history for this keyword has been pretty stable around 50 to 75,000 monthly searches over the last year. And then all time, it's been on the slow uptrend. I also like to see that because in 2019, still 25,000 people were searching for this type of product. This is what I mean by stable demand. There is always demand throughout the whole year rather than a big spike for a season or a holiday. So I like to see that. Another thing I like to see is the average revenue is great. Price point is great. BSR is a little high, but that does not matter if you are getting good sales and there's a lot of demand. And then average reviews is going to be very high. So I don't like this part of the picture, but I do like the picture of this new seller on page 1 doing great with low reviews. So that's just an example of how I found a trending keyword inside of that Pinterest tool on Helium 10, which was right here. All I did was click right here until it landed on that, and then I pulled it up inside of Amazon. So let's keep going and see if we could find a different product and start from scratch. All right, I'm looking for different types of keywords. Hippie outfits, I wouldn't want to sell that because people will return it if they don't fit. And these are just things that are running through my head as I am looking at the different keywords that are popping up. We're not going to sell a chicken coop on Amazon. That's going to be way too big. We're not going to sell pants because I don't like to sell any clothing items. Pool patio, cute dog. We're not going to sell an animal on Amazon. I'm not going to sell high heels. So really, you are just scrolling through these different keywords until something pops up. Let's keep going. Let's keep going here. Summer looks, beach aesthetic. I can never say that word, but let's actually check that keyword and then see what's popping up. Obviously, this is going to be kind of seasonal because people don't really go to the beach until like summertime. So we are about to hit spring, so that's maybe why it's coming up. So this is a little more seasonal compared to that last trend. But what we can do is actually pull this up on Amazon and then see if there's any products that have the keyword and see what the products are popping up under beach aesthetic. All right, so here we are on Amazon, beach aesthetic. So one thing is all of these things keep popping up. Summer beach, surfer wave bracelets. But there are other types of products that are popping up under beach aesthetic. For example, this one right here, blue photo wall collage kit, aesthetic pictures, beach decor. Here's a different one. So let's actually pull these up and see if they're actually getting sales on Amazon, or to see if they are seasonal, because I have a feeling beach products are going to be seasonal because you don't go to the beach or talk about the beach in the wintertime. All right, so it's going to load right here. Come on. And we can see nobody is searching this keyword, but we can see if that is even the main keyword. So what we want to do is go to that one seller, and this is that one seller that's selling those little pictures for the wall. Very low revenue. So a lot of these have very low revenue because maybe they only do well during the summertime. So if I go to the keyword search volume history and I go over the last year, we could see during the summertime, there's big spikes. Even though the volume is still low, you could see when people are searching for this type of product. And recently there's a big spike right here. So I wouldn't sell this due to the low revenue. We could see those other sellers selling those wall decor pictures are only doing about $2,500 in sales. I also like to look at their sales history. All time, they started selling these in November of 2021. They're averaging about 6 sales per day. So that is a very low revenue product. So that is just an idea that I wanted to check. Again, all I'm doing is clicking right here. Maybe we could find one more. Butcher Block Island, bucket hat, muffins. I don't know what that is. All right, so I found another keyword that I like. Anything with decor I like. So apartment bedroom decor. Let's actually pull this up on Amazon and then see if people are looking for this keyword or what products pop up when we type in this keyword on Amazon. All right, so apartment room decor. Let's see what products are popping up. This has very high reviews. But then again, this one has low reviews. I wouldn't sell a light fixture. I'm just looking around at the different ideas and what types of products are popping up. And then maybe that could lead to a different product. So here's another kitchen wall decor type of item. Again, high reviews, high reviews, high reviews. I don't know what that is. A lot of lights in here. I don't want to sell electronics. So that is a bad keyword. We're going to go back to Helium 10. Let me try to find one more so I can make up for that one. So what you'll see a lot is a lot of like movies popping up or different clothing or styles like hair colors. But occasionally you will see a type of product idea that might pop up. So a lot of recipes. For example, Sailor Moon aesthetic. Sailor Moon aesthetic. So I typed in Sailor Moon, and a cool thing that you can also do is look at what Amazon recommends next. So we have Sailor Moon tapestry, Sailor Moon room decor. So all I did was start typing in that keyword that popped up on the tool inside of Helium 10. And now we have all these different options. So let's see what this is. Sailor Moon tapestry. I'm not sure if Sailor Moon is an actual character. It looks like it's like from an anime show, maybe. But a lot of these sellers have very low reviews. So you'd want to check the trademark on that type of product. I personally wouldn't sell this, but let's just check and see what these sellers are making in revenue from a random keyword that we found using that tool. So let's see. All right, so there is a small amount of search volume history right there. We could see that one seller only is doing about $3,600 a month in sales. Very low revenue. That is not a good product. But again, I would have never known what that product is if I wasn't just clicking on this random wheel right here. But yeah, I think the best keyword that popped up was that kitchen wall decor type of product that I found. It said like kitchen wall decor items or ideas. And then that brought up those signs on Pinterest. But that's a basic way of how you could use this tool. Kitchen wall decor ideas was that actual keyword that popped up on the Pinterest trends. But yeah, try this tool out, or you could just go to the actual website like Pinterest or Etsy, search the random product ideas that are popping up or trending, check the history of those on Amazon, check the market, make sure there's demand, not too competitive, and make sure you could differentiate that product. But that is a quick way of looking for products. If you guys are ever bored and don't want to get too technical, go here, click on this little wheel, and you never know what might pop up. All right, guys, that is it for this video. If you need help with your own Amazon business, check all the links down below. I also run an Amazon FBA Facebook community. If you're not in it, all links are down below. That is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.